A fresh diplomatic push is underway in Washington as envoys from Denmark and Greenland urge US lawmakers and senior Trump administration officials to dial back President Donald Trump's repeated calls for a US takeover of Greenland. Trump has described the vast Arctic island as essential to America's national security, calling it a critical outpost in an increasingly strategic region. His remarks have drawn global attention and sharp criticism from Denmark, Greenland, and several US allies. But it is important to note that the United States already enjoys extensive military access to Greenland. Washington does not need to buy the island or take drastic political steps to protect its strategic interests there. That access comes from a defense agreement signed in April 1951 between the United States and Denmark. Greenland, colonized by Denmark more than 300 years ago, now governs itself in most areas, though Copenhagen still oversees defense and foreign policy. Under the 1951 Pact, the US is allowed to build, maintain, and operate military bases across Greenland. It can station personnel and control aircraft, ships, and military movements across land, sea, and air, effectively giving Washington broad freedom to operate military on the island. At present, the US runs one major installation, the Bidufik Space Base, a remote but crucial facility that monitors missile activity across the Arctic and the North Pole. Legally, however, the agreement allows for much wider operations if needed. The deal dates back to World War II, when Nazi Germany occupied Denmark. Fearing a German move on Greenland, Denmark's ambassador in Washington signed the agreement to protect the island. Now, during the Cold War, the US operated several bases and radar sites there, most of which were later shut down. The pact was updated in 2004 to include Greenland's semi-autonomous government. It now requires the US to consult Denmark and Greenland before major military changes and affirms Greenland as an equal part of the Kingdom of Denmark. As for buying Greenland, legally it's not an option. Denmark cannot sell it, and Greenlanders have the final say. With a population of about 57,000, most oppose any US takeover. As Greenland's Prime Minister has put it plainly, the country is not for sale, even if America's influence there remains significant.